Hello everybody, today I want to speak about the essentials of microwave plasma technology. This system uses microwaves as input power with the frequency of 2.45 GHz. In this system, plasma is produced in a dense and uniform configuration, and electrons are excited by microwave energy. Interestingly, there is no need of electrodes in these systems, hence the risk of contamination is reduced. This system works in many different operational conditions, especially in the wide range of pressure variations, especially from 0.01 to 10 torrs. This system have many technological applications and industrial applications, especially in diamond growth, gas breakdown and nanomaterial synthesis, gas conversion, waste to energy conversion. These systems are if very much efficient and scalable, then they are very much promising for future technologies, future industrial applications in many fields, especially in gas conversion, waste to energy, technological applications of plasma in agriculture and food processing, and many other applications of plasma.